Dave here. Today I'm in Nottinghamshire to meet a team who put the customer at the heart of everything they do with their dynamic and long-term approach. Datatime Systems provide innovative products for any budget and any business, assisting them with their time and attendance solutions.
Hi, I'm Mike Blenko. I'm the Managing Director of Datatime Systems. We offer sales, service and ongoing support of our workforce management, time and attendance solutions. We're a family-run business. It was set up in 1984 by my parents. I have a small and dynamic team now that work with me. There's 4 of us in total. We provide simple traditional time recording equipment all the way through to computerized time and attendance solutions, whether that be on-premise or cloud-based. That seems to be the core of the products that we supply at the moment. We also offer consumables, accessories and ongoing support to cover that. 100% we want our clients to buy into us. They're not just buying a service, they're buying that long-standing relationship. So we really want to understand what their pain points are, what their issues are, and we build that into the system from the ground up. So we really like to get underneath it depending on what their objectives are, and then we'll guide them and expand out from there in terms of the solution. So in terms of products, we start with what we class as traditional time recorders. So that is time recorders that rely on a clock card for employees to clock in and clock out. Generally used in smaller environments or environments where they want to stay away from the electronic element. And then we jump ahead all the way through to the computerized time and attendance solutions, where we use proximity contactless card terminals to record clockings through to biometric finger. Facial recognition is a big one at the moment, which is just coming into its own, alongside thermal cameras and being able to record people's temperatures as they present into work. And we've also got an employee self-service app now that allows employees to clock remotely through the use of one of our apps or any URL. So we do have an ROI calculator on the website. It's a real snapshot, but it allows you to just very simply and quickly calculate how much time potentially you could save, and then you could cross-reference that against any proposals that we might provide to you to decide whether that's the right thing for you to do. We really do work with you to tailor the system to your requirements and your needs, both in terms of budget and in terms of the type of systems that we offer and what might work best for you, rather than trying to shoehorn something that you think we need to sell you. You know, we really are a company that wants to work with you, you know, whether that's starting small and scaling up over time, whether that's just starting with an entry-level system and that's plenty good enough for you, or whether, you know, we jump straight into a more advanced system because we know that your requirements are a bit more involved. We go from the initial sale and talking through and understanding what it is that you're trying to achieve, through installation and then beyond into support, you know, long term. So the very people that you're sitting in front of when you're trying to work out whether it's the right system for you are going to be heavily involved in the deployment and the installation process itself, and that gives you an idea of who they are as individuals, and it allows you to put a name to a face moving forward with the support. When you buy a product from us, from Datatime, you're buying into not only the system but us as a team. We really do take great pride in being able to satisfy the customers and make sure that they're getting the results that they want. So if you're interested in working with us, if you're not happy with your current provider, then please get in touch. You know, we'd really like to hear from you. We've got a very knowledgeable team. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have, no matter how many or how few. But we really just want to work with you at your pace to get the desired outcome.
Well, what can I say? Datatime Systems' experience and customer service really does speak for itself. So whether your business needs a traditional clocking in machine or even a multi-site computerized solution, they've got you covered. So get in contact and see how your business could benefit from Datatime Systems.